Farias Viale. I'm the executive chef of the Oro, Patagonian food. This is the southern relation tour in the whole world. So I'm making a Patagonian reel for you. So I'm gonna make the dish. I'm gonna garnish the dish with the quinoa risotto, which is a grain that came from Bolivia, actually. I'm gonna finish my risotto with some thyme butter and some chopped chives, fresh chopped chives. This is the rhea, it's actually cooked already. I'm gonna rest so we can keep the juice in the meat. It's a really simple dish. We put the risotto here. Then we're gonna cut the meat. We're gonna garnish the dish with the young leeks. We're gonna cut it in 3 pieces. If you see, it's a little rare. Either way, it's gonna be tough, really tough, and we don't want it. So, we're gonna put the meat. We're gonna put the young leeks over here. This is a red wine demi-glace. With calafate, which is a fruit from Patagonian. It's a very signature product as the rhea. We're gonna put some chives to make it strong. Again, a little salt. Some micro arugula. And then we're going to finish with a little extra virgin oil. Welcome to Patagonian. This is our Patagonian rhea with quinoa risotto, young leeks, and micro arugula. Bon appetit!